Hi, welcome again to another class. So, partial fraction decomposition. Now, as we already know, we have different classes of partial fraction decomposition problems that you may encounter in different aspects of mathematics. And we already have some of the videos covering some of them. We have this, we also have this. So you can watch them later when you have the time, and I'll put the links in the description or in the comment section for you to access them later. But in this particular case, you can see that the quadratic expression we have the denominator cannot be expressed in simple roots. So in this case, what do? We express this in this form: a over 2x plus 1 plus bx plus c over our quadratic expression. So this is the standard form of solving partial fractions of this type. Our mission will be to find a, b, and c, and we'll find a, b, and c. We have solved the partial fraction. So let us get into the class and solve this problem. Welcome again. So to solve this problem, we already have this expressed in the standard form. So we bring this down. We have 9x squared plus 48x plus 18 over 2x plus 1 x squared plus 8x plus 3 as equal to, now we take the LCM of this. Now the LCM of this is basically what we have here. So we have 2x plus 1 x squared plus 8x plus 3. If we divide this with this, we'll have this. So I have a into x squared plus 8x plus 3. And then if we divide this with this, we'll have this. So I have plus bx plus c into 2x plus 1. Now the denominator is equal, so the numerator should be equal. So we have 9x squared plus 48x plus 18 equal to, now we expand this. We have a into ax squared, you have into x squared, you have ax squared. A into ax, we have 8ax plus a into 3, we have 3a plus, now bx into 2x, we have 2bx squared plus bx into 1, we have bx plus c into 2x, we have 2cx plus c into 1, we have c. So we have this. Now we can begin to bring similar powers of x together. So we have 9ax squared plus 48x plus 18 equal to ax squared plus 2bx squared, because they have similar power. Then we have 8ax plus bx plus 2cx. Bring them together, 2cx plus, then we have the constants 3a and c, we have 3a plus c. So now since they are together, we can have 9x squared plus 48x plus 18 is equal to, this common here, so we have x squared into a plus 2b, right? Then here we have x common here, so we bring it out to have 8a plus b plus 2c That's that. Then we'll have our constants, 3a plus c. How about the constants? So now to solve this kind of problem, we'll have variables x, a, b, c. I have like 4 variables. I'll have only one equation. So there's no way to solve this problem except if we equate the coefficients of powers of x. Now on both sides. So equating coefficients of powers of x, equating coefficients of powers of x, we'll have for x squared. In this part of the equation, we'll have the coefficient as 9. So we'll have 9 will be equal to, for x squared in this part of the equation, the coefficient is a plus 2b, a plus 2b. For x, in this part of the equation, we'll have 48 as the coefficient of x. So in this part of the equation, we'll have 8a plus b plus 2c. We'll have 8a plus b plus 2c. And in this part of the, and for the constant terms, the constant term, let's say constant term, we can call it ct. In this part of the equation, we'll have 18. And 18 will be equal to 3a plus c on the other side. So we have a simplified system now. So 9a, let's move over to the other side. Okay, let's even solve small here. So this implies that 9a, this implies that a, or as we are looking at this now, you can see that we need to solve for b. So 2b will be equal to 9 minus a. So b itself will be 9a over 2. Then 9 minus a over 2. So in this other case, okay, let's do for here so that we'll simplify. C is simply 18 minus 3a. 18 minus 3a. So we have this in terms of a. So we now impute it here. So impute into this other equation, we have into this equation 2. So put this into this equation, I have 48 is equal to 8a plus b. This is 9 minus a. This is 9 minus a over 2 plus 2c. 2c is plus 2 into 18 minus 3a. So let's take LCM here. 2 is our LCM. So 1 dividing 2 have 2 times this is 16a plus 2 dividing this is 1. 1 multiplying this, 1 multiplying everything here, I'll have 9 minus a. 1 dividing this is 2. Now 2 multiplying this will have 4 into 18 minus 3a. This is equal to 48. So we cross multiply. This is 48 over 1. So if we cross multiply now, we have 96 is equal to 16a minus or plus 9 minus a plus 4. 4 into this 18 is 72. 4 into 3a is 12a. Ready? Let's collect like terms. 96 is equal to 16a minus a minus 12a plus 72 plus 72 plus 9, and this means 96 is equal to a minus 12. A minus 12 is, so we have 16a minus 13a plus 72 plus 9 is 81. So we have 96. If this comes over to here, 96 minus 81 is equal to 16a minus 13a is 3a. Now 96 minus 81, that should be 15, is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 5. Let's divide both sides by 3. So we have obtained a. We can simply impute the value of a into this and into this. So for b, b will be equal to 9 minus 5 over 2. And this is 9 minus 5 is 4 over 2. So we have 2. We have 2 as the value of b. So b is equal to 2. So we put the value of a into c. Here we have 18 minus 3 times 5. And this will give us 18 minus 15. So c will be equal to 3. So our required partial fraction then will be, we'll wipe this off now. So our required partial fraction then will be, so this fraction now, 9x squared plus 48x plus 18 over 2x plus 1, x squared plus 8x plus 3 will be, a is 5. We'll have 5 over 2x plus 1 plus b is 2. So have 2x plus c is 3. 2x plus 3 over our this thing, quadratic expression. So this is our required partial fraction. Now don't forget to watch the videos I talked about this and this, and the links are in the description. So watch them and acquit yourself of the other kinds of partial fraction decomposition problems. Keep solving problems, not run away from them. Until next time, bye bye.